What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to continue on where we left off in the last video, finishing taking apart the last couple things before pulling this today. And we got Coda, Kayla, and Braden here. I'll tag all their Instagrams on screen and down in the description. But before we do anything, we need to get the engine stand put together. That way we have somewhere to put that once we pull it. And just like that, we have the motor stand put together. Hopefully this thing still works. We haven't tested it. I would assume it would. But we're gonna get started on this.
You want a wrench or?
Let me see that wrench. Trying to pull the alternator off. How many bolts?
Let me show you kids how it's done.
Well, I don't want to fucking break it. That's the reason why. Because alternators, the fucking car's trying to get me in, bro. The camera caught that on tape. Oh, okay, it's sliding down and okay. So, let me see if I can.
Here we go. Thing's never been replaced.
Yeah, it's factory. Put that on the list of parts.
What do you think of our progress? I think it's gonna look pretty quickly, actually. I'm ready to see the inside.
Oh, that's enough from you. What do you think of our progress?
I think I haven't made any progress personally, but you guys are doing a pretty good job.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I wasn't even here.
So Kayla and Braden luckily checked this to make sure all the bolts were tight, which they weren't. So they went through and tightened all the bolts on the cherry picker, and then now they're having to take apart these sensors so that way it doesn't crush it when you put the bolt through to pick it up. So I think other than that, it's just the bell housing, right? The bolts for that.
Yeah.
Yep.
Braden was dang.
Oh, that's a temp sensor.
A lot more than I was expecting to come out of that.
That's what she
Oh, that's
said.
an oil temp sensor. Smell like oil?
It's got a hint of gas.
It does. Not a hint. That ain't a hint of gas. Holy shit. Alright. Whoa.
Yeah,
Whoa.
Getting high off the fumes. Take a whiff.
Hey,
Ooh.
Those are
Got a
the
hint of
AC
gas.
compressor. We'll put those back in after.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Here, do it again.
I feel like I'm just like the guy in the corner, just
Dude, you're like
watching.
every famous YouTuber ever.
Just watching his wife get.
God.
The Lord is listening.
Whoa.
There, guys, I'll just sit over here.
I'm gonna have to lower this.
Don't run me over.
I know.
Ready?
Yeah. Alright, we're Gucci Mane.
Is it in there like swimwear? Load it up.
Come on, pump it up. I can feel this.
No, I was talking about the Too Fast, Too Furious.
Move it a little farther forward. There you go. Alright, keep going. Second.
Yeah, Brayden, why didn't you make this straight up and down?
Because Coda moved it on me.
Yeah, bozo, I'm ahead of the game.
Does it need to be set up and down?
Wait.
Oh! Alright.
That's better.
That looks a little more like it.
So what are our guesses of what's wrong with this
We
job?
have a couple different guesses.
Alright, so
All right, let's hear your
go
guys'
through.
guess. What's your guess?
My first theory after seeing your compression with how low it was through the back three,
So hold on. Another thing is it could be wrong. I heard because it was a Harbor Freight compression tester.
I have a Harbor Freight compressor tester. And
I've heard from a few people that's like slightly off.
it's just like the
But-
torque wrench.
But to be fair, there was also metal in there, so it wouldn't be important.
Well, with how much the oil smells like gas and the coolant smells like is gone, I thought it lifted ahead was my original. But then Coda and I started talking about it, and a spun bearing sounds very likely.
Yeah, that's my guess. Don't steal it, fucko.
So
That's why I said
he
Coda.
mentioned that when we bought this,
12.
or when she bought this car, he mentioned
12?
that could be that.
You want 12?
Yeah, give me a 12.
And-
3/8.
I said something about maybe the rings are gone because
No,
the oil does
12
smell
and
like
3/8.
gas heavily. So there's oil
It
and
could be a
gas
deep
mixing,
well.
and somehow the coolant is also getting a drink. So could be a combination of issues.
One thing I was also thinking about is we have some records that were in this car of I believe it's the dude that built this car. They told me where the dude was from, and if you look the dude up, he's from the town that the dude said this car is built in. So I want to kind of find him on Facebook or something, reach out and see if he can give me any more information about this car, about if he's the one that built it and what's actually truly done to it, besides us just hearing from the people that we talked to when she bought it. So I'm kind of curious what he's gonna say.
And Coda did say on the way up that he thinks the wrong weight of oil was put in.
Yes,
which is
I've
very
been told
possible.
that by a lot of people.
Oh, we
Which
think
is
that.
very, very possible.
Well,
Because-
there's an oil change in the trunk, and it's 5W20.
But a lot of builds, they could have just went off the regular.
So
It's possible.
the people that have talked, when I posted her first original video of us like just going over the car, they were talking about because of what's done to this motor, it should be a way higher or a way like thicker oil because
2050.
of all the clearances and stuff.
What now, Coda?
These bolts are rounded.
No.
Don't say that.
He already told me that. Hey,
No.
Cobra, do you need a,
Are you really?
Yeah, they're going to the bottom right here.
Oh, I can see one. Yeah, get in there.
There we go. It's coming. It's coming.
Come on, you bitch. I got my side out. Your side out?
I think so.
It's out. It's out. It just moved. Twist it up.
Kill, raise it up.
Lift him up.
Load it up.
Lift him up.
oh, yours?
Okay. How about you stand off to the side there, yeah?
Still going?
Grab the AC compressor.
Mark?
This is as far as I can move it.
Okay, keep going.
Okay. Here, you want to pop that side off?
You got it?
Oh my god, you know, a one-man wrecking crew. I'm pretty sure this side's fucking out.
Yeah.
It's the input shaft now. It's not the. There it is.
There we go.
Alright,
Okay, lift her up. Keep
can
going.
you go to your side a little bit more? Just so we get past that hasty compressor.
Keep going. Keep going. You're good.
Hey, keep going, keep going, keep going.
It's gonna leak. You got the whole coolant shit that's in place.
Look what's in the bell houses. Look at these fucking peanuts in there.
What the fuck?
You see peanuts?
Dude, there's sunflower
There's sunflower
seeds
seeds.
in
You know
the bell
those-
housing.
Yeah.
Go ahead and lift her up there.
Keep going, Caleb.
Oh, it's just leaking coolant. That's fucking. AJ, you want to throw me one of those rags?
Yeah.
If you don't care if it gets coolant on it or not.
I mean, I don't care if it gets coolant on the ground.
Hold on.
Oh, okay, I'll just let it drip on the ground.
Yeah, I
then.
don't. It is what it is.
The back wheel kind of lifted up when she did
Oh my
that.
god. Okay, you're good. I probably weighed just as much as this one.
Oh.
You don't want me to keep going?
Just keep going up.
Stand on the
Maybe we should have moved it back a little bit. Didn't think this motor would.
No, because the RFX motor picked up the fucking gear.
It's just level.
It's off there. I can feel me going on.
We only got more pumps and we're good.
I'll get on video so if you guys all like fall forward.
Alright, one more pump. Alright, let's back this
No
bitch
more?
up. I don't know if that toolbox is yet.
Yeah, I'm in the box.
Oh, this one's fucking locked.
And it's
Alright, we can
out.
Lower it, Kayla.
How much?
Just
Slowly.
lower it most of the way.
You know which one we're rocking with. I'm guessing this one. See if I'm right.
Coda, where'd the
Those
12
are
millimeter-
so fucking loose.
I fucking saw that.
Coda, where'd the 12 millimeter go? Oh my god, what the fuck?
That's an old one though, dude. If this car sat for any little bit of time, it was dead.
Whoa!
You like that sound?
No, I didn't like the cool.
Oh, not my shoe! No!
Hey, there's a little coolant in there, dude.
Oh.
No!
Oh, that just barely got missed.
Lights this way. The top will just spin.
Oh, there they are.
That disc is like holding on for dear life.
Oop, there it is.
So how does this look?
Doesn't look too bad.
No, we're definitely until we get fucking.
Oh, the DC clutch. Nice. Nice.
So that doesn't look bad.
Oh, it doesn't look terrible.
No way.
Oh.
Dude, it took all that. Dude, the impact wouldn't even take those screws out. Or the bolts, I mean.
One-handed vlog, yeah.
Yeah. First thing Adrian's done all day.
I know.
Oh, motherfucker, you just hit the camera.
Now you buy a lightweight flywheel too.
We don't need to do lightweight.
Faster. More faster.
No.
Always more
I'm
faster.
not trying to run down the track, bud.
So now that we got everything off there, we can get this mounted up and off the hoist. I don't know, I feel like now that there's a motor on this thing, the engine stand doesn't look that oversized like you guys were acting like it was.
Buddy, this is a 1,500 pound engine stand.
Yeah, we did just lift this out with a half-ton.
Dude, it's just a little overkill, a little bit.
This fucking guy, dude. I'll take this car.
I know.
Yeah, it's not the cleanest.
Yeah, now this oil pan's gonna be a hell of a time for you to get off.
Oh, well.
Because this is where the oil pan bolts are the ones that are around it.
You'll figure it out.
Yeah, I'll fix it.
If I need to check, come up here with a welder and weld that on.
Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys are new, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and leave a like. And comment what you guys think is wrong with this motor. What do you guys think failed inside? I'd love to hear your guys' opinions. But next video, we're going to be tearing this thing apart and seeing what truly failed inside. So don't miss out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay stancy.